Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm a brand new YouTuber. My channel is AM Woodturning and my name is Alan Mills. It is named AM Woodturning partly because of my initials and partly because I turn in the mornings a lot of times. You can see part of my shop. I don't have a shop. I work on my porch. Everything I have has to be portable. You can wood turn in small spaces. I could turn inside if I wanted, but I prefer not to have the cleanup of all those chips and shavings. And let me tell you something, it is nice to be able to walk out here, do my turning, and at the end of the day when I'm ready to pick things up, I just turn on the leaf blower. It's gone. I like it. I've got a burn pile over there, and once in a while I'll rake things up over to it and I'll get rid of it. The rest of the time it's just turning the mulch. I'm going to be doing a beginner series on wood turning, and I haven't actually been turning that long. I started 3 years ago, well, almost 3 years ago, and I've learned a lot along the way. One of the first things you'll hear when you go on these social sites and stuff and ask, where should I start? Well, one of the first answers is always going to be join a club, join a group, join the AAW. And that's fine and well. It's not for everyone. Some of us live hours away from the nearest group. Some of us would prefer to do things on our own. I have attended a couple of meetings, too, as a matter of fact, as a guest. There's a group about 25 miles from me, so it's not out of my realm to go there. But I do work a lot of Saturdays in my day job. I'm a truck driver. And because of my schedule, I don't get to attend their meetings. They meet once a month on a Saturday. So, my teacher and mentor has been YouTube. And I made mistakes along the way, but I haven't forgotten them. The key is to try to minimize the risk and be as safe as you can while learning, but to learn from what you're doing wrong. And in the beginning, it's hard to know about that bevel contact and that cutting edge and rubbing that bevel. It is so important. And after you've been turning a few pieces, you'll get a feel for it, and you can hear it even when you're losing contact, and you'll certainly get a feel for it. We'll cover that later on, but right now I just want to welcome you to my channel, and hopefully you'll like and subscribe me, and we have some good things coming. Thanks.